Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Betty and you are in Akudo's kitchen. In today's video, I will show you how to make donuts. Please, after watching, like, share and subscribe to my channel. The ingredients that I will be using are 500 grams of flour, 150 milliliters of warm milk, 7 grams of yeast, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 whole egg, a teaspoon of salt, and 50 grams of softened butter. As for the tools, I'll be using a bowl, a sieve, a wooden spoon, and a whisk. So let's start. First, pour in your warm milk into your bowl. Add in your yeast, followed by your sugar and your egg. Then whisk. After that, add in your flour. Your salt and combine everything together. Then transfer your dough onto your working area. Add your butter and start kneading until it is soft. As you can see, our dough has become soft. I've already greased the bowl. Put the dough in your bowl. And cover with plastic wrap. Let it rest for an hour. Here is our dough after resting for an hour. Punch out the air. Gather it together. And transfer it to your working surface. Sprinkle some flour and roll out the dough. And cut into equal pieces. Then form balls out of them. Here is our dough after resting for 5 minutes. Take one and press onto it gently. Then cut out a hole in the middle of it. I have preheated my oil. Let's start dropping in the donuts. Fry on a low to medium heat. Now it is time to take them out of the oil. Let's make the chocolate glaze. I will use 150 grams of icing sugar, 3 tablespoons of chocolate powder, and 4 tablespoons of milk. Add your chocolate powder to your icing sugar and sieve them. Then add in your milk. And mix together. Now let's start dipping the donut into the chocolate glaze. This is the final result. Thanks for watching. Remain blessed. Bye.